Question 1. Estimate the figures in the following data using the forward difference operator and the shift operator. So here we have a data set given, and we can see that there are two values missing for x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5. So we can solve this question first by constructing a table like this. So and then we can assign these values y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 and y7. Now here y2 and y4 is missing, so we have to write two equations, and when we solve these two equations we'll get the value of y2 and y4. So the first equation is delta 6 y0 is equal to 0, and the second equation is delta 6 y1 is equal to 0. Now here we know what the relationship between forward difference operator and shift operator looks like. It is e minus 1. So we can just replace this relationship in the first equation. We expand e minus 1 to the power 6 like this, and then by the definition of shift operator here, we can just write the value as y6 minus 6 y5 plus 15 y4 minus 20 y3 plus 15 y2 minus 6 y1 plus y0, and when we solve this further we get the first equation as y4 plus y2 is equal to 152. This is my first equation. The second equation here is delta 6 y1 is equal to 0. Again we do the same thing. I'll just expand the whole thing and I'll multiply it with y1. By the definition of shift operators, I can again write it in terms of y, and when I solve it further I get the second equation as this: 10 y4 plus 3 y2 is equal to 1331. And then when I solve these two questions I get the value of y4 as 125 and I get the value as y2 as 27. So the missing values in our data set were 27 for x is equal to 3 and 125 for x is equal to 5.